Today we shall discuss exercise 5.5 class 12th questions 8 to 18. As far as the questions 1 to 7 are concerned, we have already uploaded a video. Kindly go through that. Let's begin with the question number 8. See, y is equal to sin x power x plus sin inverse under root of x. As we have been doing in the previous questions, let u be sin x power x and v be sin inverse under root of x. This gives you y is equal to u plus v. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, you get dy by dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. First, let us take the case of u. U is equal to sin x whole power x. Take log on both the sides. Log of u is equal to log of sin x whole power x. This is the power, it will come in the beginning. Log of u is equal to x into log of sin x. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, derivative of log of u is written as 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to. Now what you will do is, you will consider these as two functions, x being the first function and log of sin of x being the second one. So the derivative will be first function x as it is multiplied by the derivative of log of sin of x plus second function log of sin of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of first function which is x. This is x multiplied by, what is the derivative of log of sin x? It will be 1 upon sin of x multiplied by, whatever is in the bracket you will take the derivative separately. So you will write d by dx sin of x plus log of sin of x as it is, derivative of x is 1, you all know, leave it like this. Now x upon sin x will come here multiplied by, what is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is actually cos x. So the value of derivative of sin x will come here cos of x, okay, plus log of sin of x as it is. Now see, this is cos x upon sin x. It can be written as cot x. Cot x is equal to cos x upon sin x. So you will write x into cot x multiplied by log of sin of x. Now 1 upon u into du upon dx is equal to x cot x plus log of sin of x. Please take u towards that side. You will get du upon dx is equal to u x cot x plus log of sin of x. Now put the value of u which we assumed as sin x whole power x multiplied by x cot x plus log of sin of x. This is the value of du upon dx. Now the second case was that of v. V is equal to sin inverse under root of x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. You have dv upon dx is equal to. Now what is the derivative of sin inverse x? Sin inverse under root of x, it will be written as 1 upon whole under root of 1 minus under root of x whole square. So this square is just limited to under root of x multiplied by the derivative of under root of x. Now this term under root of x, it will be differentiated separately. Now if you see here nicely, this under root of x whole square, it will cancel each other and you will get 1 upon under root of 1 minus x. Okay, now we are left with what is the derivative of under root of x. See, derivative of under root of x is equal to derivative of x power 1 upon 2. So if you use the formula x power n is equal to nx n minus 1, you will get 1 upon 2 into x power 1 upon 2 minus 1. This is 1 upon x power minus 1 upon 2, which is 1 upon 2 under root x. So put in the value of under root of x, it is 1 upon 2 under root of x. Take this, the beginning, you will get 1 upon 2 under root of x multiplied by under root of 1 minus x. Now this is also under root, this is also under root. Please take x inside this. You will get 1 upon 2 under root of x minus x square. Okay. So dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Please put in the values which we have just calculated. This is sin x whole power x multiplied by x cot x plus log of sin x plus 1 upon 2 under root of x minus x square, which is the answer to the question number 8. We move forward. Question number 9. Let's begin. Y is equal to x power sin x plus sin x power cos of x. Same pattern. Y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to x power sin x. Let us take the case of u. Take log on both the sides. You will get log of u is equal to log of x power sin x. Now this power, it will come in the beginning. You will get sin x log of x. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, derivative of log of u, d by dx log of u is equal to d by dx sin x log x. Now derivative of log of u is 1 upon u into du upon dx is equal to first function sin x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function log of x plus log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of first function, that is sin of x. Now this will give you sin x multiplied by derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is the derivative of sin of x. This you will get cos of x. So what answer you get is sin x into 1 upon x plus log x cos x. So please take u towards that side. You will get du upon dx is equal to u into sin x upon x plus cos x log x. Put the value of u, you will get x power sin x. Bracket start sin x upon x plus cos x log of x. Okay. Now we will move to the second case of v. V is equal to sin x power cos x. Very simple. Take log. Log of v is equal to log of sin x cos of x. Now what is the power? It will come in the beginning. Same case, cos x log of sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x. d by dx log of v is equal to d by dx cos x log of sin x. Now derivative of log of v is 1 upon v into dv upon dx is equal to first function cos x as it is multiplied by the log of the second function log sin x. Now what is the derivative of log sin x? It will be 1 upon sin x multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. You will take the derivative separately. You will write d by dx sin of x plus second function log of sin x as it is multiplied by the derivative of first function, that is derivative of cos of x. Now you are left with this cos x upon sin x, make one term multiplied by derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is taken as derivative of sin x is here cos x plus log of sin of x as it is. Now the derivative of your question is derivative of cos of x is actually sin of x, which I have also mentioned it here. Derivative of cos of x is minus sin of x. You put in the values. Now if you see carefully, what are you getting? You are getting cos x upon sin x, which is actually cot x. Replace this term with cot x multiplied by cos x minus, bring sin x in the beginning, sin x log of sin x. Okay. Now move further, dv upon dx is equal to, take v towards that side. You will get cot x cos x minus sin x log of sin of x. Kindly put in the value of v, which is sin x cos of x power cos of x multiplied by the whole question. Same case, cot x cos x minus sin x log of sin x. Now dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now what the value you have calculated for du upon dx is x power sin x upon x plus cos x log x, put there, and the value of dv upon dx is sin x power cos x cot x cos x minus sin x log of sin x. You have just put the value of du upon dx and dv upon dx, and here you get the answer to the question number 9. Let's move forward to question number 10. What is question number 10? Y is equal to x power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Same method, y is equal to u plus v, where u is equal to the first function and v is equal to the second function. So you get, differentiating both sides with respect to x, you get dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. First case, u is equal to x power x cos of x. Kindly take log. Log of u is equal to log of x power x cos x. Okay. Now this power x cos x will come in the beginning. You will write x cos x into log of x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, you will get dy dx is equal to log of u is equal to dy dx x cos x log x. Now, when you take the derivative, you will get log of u derivative is 1 upon u into du upon dx. Now here, how will you solve the question? You will write x cos x, this x cos x as it is, which will be considered one function multiplied by the derivative of second function, which is log of x, plus log of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is x cos x. Be very careful. Now x cos x as it is multiplied by, what is the derivative of log of x? It is 1 upon x, write it here, plus log of x as it is, make a bigger bracket. Now you have to calculate the derivative of x cos x. How will you calculate? Here again you will write UV formula, x as it is multiplied by the derivative of cos of x plus cos of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of x. Now here what you have done is you have calculated the derivative of x cos x, and here is the answer. This whole you will take first function, then the derivative of the second function, which is cos of x, then cos of x, and then the derivative of the first function, which is x. Now here this x and this x stands cancelled. You are left with cos of x plus log x, bracket begins, x multiplied by the derivative of cos of x is minus sin x, okay, plus cos x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Next slide, you get 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to cos x plus log x sin x plus cos of x. Now you please open the bracket, you will get cos x minus, take log x inside, you are left with minus x sin x log x plus cos x log x. This log x will also be multiplied by cos x. Now take u towards this side, you will get u multiplied by cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x log of x. Now fill in the value of u, which is x power x cos x. You put the value, you will get u du upon dx is equal to x power x cos x, bracket starts cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x log of x. This is the case of u. Now the next case is of v. v is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Simply take log. You are left with log of v is equal to log of x square plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, you will get 1 upon v into dv upon dx is equal to derivative of x square plus 1 minus derivative of x square minus 1. Now 1 upon v into dv upon dx is equal to, what is will be the derivative? 1 upon x square plus 1, because it is log, right? You will get 1 upon x square plus 1 multiplied by the derivative of x square plus 1. Whatever is in the bracket, you will take the derivative separately, minus 1 upon x square minus 1 multiplied by d by dx x square minus 1. Okay. Now 1 upon x square plus 1, what is the derivative of x square plus 1? You will just left with 2x. Okay, minus 1 upon x square minus 1 multiplied by x square minus 1, derivative is 2x. So now you combine both these terms, you will get 2x upon x square plus 1 minus 2x upon x square minus 1. You have 2x, please take 2x as common. You will be left with 2x, bracket starts 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 1 upon x square minus 1. Kindly take the common LCM. You are left with 2x, x square minus 1 minus big bracket x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Now if you solve this, you will get 2x outside the bracket and you are left with x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 whole upon x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Because there is minus outside the bracket, you will change the signs of these two terms. Now this x square minus x square will get cancelled. You are left with 2x, bracket starts minus 2 whole upon x square plus 1, x square minus 1. Now you take this 2x inside, you will get minus 4x upon, if you solve a square plus 1, a square minus b, a square plus b, a square minus b, you are left with x power 4 minus 1. Okay? Now dv upon dx, take v towards that side, v into minus 4x upon x4 minus 1. Put in the value of v, you will get x square plus 1 whole upon x square minus 1 multiplied by minus 4x upon x power 4 minus 1. Now the last step is very simple. What you have to do is, you will just write dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Kindly fill in the values. You will get x power x cos x, bracket starts cos x minus x sin x log x plus cos x log of x. Okay, plus dv upon dx value is x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 multiplied by minus 4x upon x power 4 minus 1. Now if you see carefully, here cos x and this cos x log x, you can take common cos x, you are left with x power x cos x, bracket starts cos x. From these two terms only, you will take cos x common. So put them together, you are left with cos x 1 plus log of x minus this term as it is, it will come. What are you left? Which term are you left with? You are left with minus x sin x log x. It will come here like this, minus x sin x log x. So you have taken cos x common from this term and you have taken cos x common from this term. So putting both these terms together, you are left with this answer. Okay, now plus minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Okay, now actually how have I termed this? I have shown you clearly here. See, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 multiplied by minus 4x upon x power 4 minus 1. What I have done is, I have expanded this x power 4 minus 1. This x power 4 minus 1, it can be written as x square plus 1, x square minus 1. So what are you left with? You are left with x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 into minus 4x upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Now this x square plus 1 and this x square plus 1 will cancel out each other. You are left with minus 4x upon x square minus 1 x square minus 1. So this is actually written as minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. Okay, so I have actually picked up this value, the calculation, and I have put it here. Okay, so this is just to match your NCERT answer. It is not that tough. It is just a little mixing up and you can easily get it. And I have shown you clearly how I have reached this answer. So this completes your next question. Let's move. Now question number 11, what does it say? Question number 11 is y is equal to x cos x power x plus x sin x whole power 1 upon x. Same pattern, let y is equal to u plus v. Let us take the case of u first. What is u? U is x cos x power x. Kindly take log. You will get log of u is equal to both the sides log. This is the power. It will come in the beginning. X log of x cos x. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, you are left with 1 upon u into du upon dx is equal to x. First function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is log of x cos x. Okay, plus second function log of x cos x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is x. Now x as it is, what is the derivative of log of x cos x? You will write 1 upon x cos x multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. You will find the derivative separately. You will write d by dx x cos x plus log of x cos x multiplied by 1, because the derivative of x is 1. Now this x and this x will stand cancelled out. You are left with 1 upon cos x, bracket starts. Now you have to calculate the derivative of x cos x. How will you find it? So this, the derivative of x cos x. Again, it will be taken as UV formula. You will write x multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is cos x, plus cos x second function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is x. Clear? Plus log of x cos x as it is. Now 1 upon cos x outside the bracket, you are left with x. What is the derivative of cos of x? It is minus sine of x plus cos x as it is. Derivative of x is 1, so you can leave it, plus log of x cos x. Kindly shift the values here. You will get 1 upon cos x, bracket starts, minus x sin x plus cos x plus log of x cos x. Further, now 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to minus x sin x upon cos x plus cos x upon cos x plus log of x cos x. What did you do here? Basically is you are taking the denominator as cos x and you will write minus x. This is tan x. Okay, because this cos x you have taken inside the bracket. It was outside the bracket. You just take it to the both the terms in the denominator. You will be left with minus x tan x plus 1. Cos x upon cos x is 1 plus log of x cos x. Now take u towards that side. Du upon dx is equal to u, bracket starts, minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x. Put the value of u, which is x cos x power x, bracket starts, minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x. This was the case of u. Now we will take the case of v. What is v? V is x sin x whole power 1 upon x. Please take log. Log of v is equal to, the power will come in the beginning, 1 upon x into log of x sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon x will be considered one function and log of x sin x will be considered the second function. So you will be left with 1 upon v into dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon x as it is, first function as it is, multiplied by the derivative of second function, derivative of log of sin x, plus second function log of x sin x as it is, multiplied by the derivative of the first function d by dx 1 upon x. So 1 upon x as it is, bracket starts. What is the derivative of log of x sin x? You will write 1 upon x sin x multiplied by the derivative of whatever is in the bracket. You will find the derivative separately. You will write d by dx x sin x plus log of x sin x multiplied by what is the derivative of 1 upon x? It is minus 1 upon x square. I told you in the previous slide also. Now what you will do is you will write 1 upon x, bracket starts, 1 upon x sin x. Now you have to calculate the derivative of this term. How will you write? You will write x as it is into cos x plus sin x into 1 bracket closes minus 1 upon x square log of x sin x. So here you are left with kindly x multiplied by x. Here you will get 1 upon x square sin x, bracket starts x cos x plus sin x minus 1 upon x square log of x sin x. Okay, now you this 1 upon x square sin x, please take in inside the bracket, give it to both the terms. You will get x cos x upon x square sin x plus sin x upon x square sin x minus 1 upon x square log x sin x. Okay, now this x upon x square, we are left with x in the denominator. Cos x upon sin x is actually cot x plus 1 upon x square sin x gets cancelled. You are left with 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square log x sin x. Now dv upon dx is into 1 upon v is equal to cot x upon x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square log x sin x. Please bring v towards that side. You are left with dv upon dx is equal to v cot x upon x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square log x sin x. Okay. Now put the value of v. What is the value of v? X sin x whole power 1 upon x. Bracket starts cot x upon x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square log x sin x, right? Now, what are you left with? Nothing. dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now, kindly put in the values which we just calculated. So, dy upon dx is equal to x cos x whole power x minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x, just put in the values, plus x sin x whole power 1 upon x, bracket starts cot x upon x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x square log x sin x. Okay, now we will be doing a little more shuffling here. What you will write is x cos x whole power x as it is, bracket starts minus x tan x plus 1 plus log of x cos x plus x sin x whole power 1 upon x. Kindly take a common denominator for all these terms. You are left with x square in the denominator, x cot x plus 1. This 1 will come here as it is, minus. This is 1 upon x square log x sin x, and you will be left with log x sin x under x square. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Let's move forward. Your next question is 12th question. X power y plus y power x is equal to 1. In the beginning only let u is equal to x power y. You please take log. You will get log of u is equal to this power. It will come in the beginning y log of x. Now differentiate with respect to x. D by dx log of u is equal to d by dx y log of x. Very simple. Now what is the derivative of log of u? You are left with 1 upon u into du upon dx is equal to y first function as it is multiplied by the derivative of second function, which is log of x, plus log of x multiplied by dy upon dx. Now this is equal to y multiplied by what is log of x derivative? 1 upon x plus log of x into dy upon dx. Okay. Now this dy upon dx will remain like this only. Abhi you will not be able to solve it further. Okay. So you will write u, bring u towards that side. You are left with u bracket starts y upon x plus log of x dy upon dx. Now please put in the value of u, which is x power y. You are left with x power y upon x plus log x dy upon dx. Please open the bracket and take x power y inside to both the terms. You are left with x power y into y upon x plus x power y into log x dy upon dx. Now here it is x power y and in the denominator it is x. The bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. You are left with x power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log of x dy by dx. So du upon dx is equal to y x power y minus 1 plus x power y log of x into dy upon dx. Okay. Now let us take the case of v. V is equal to y power x. Please take log. We have log of v is equal to x log of y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have derivative of log of v is equal to derivative of x log of y. Now when you will take derivative, you will get 1 upon v into dv upon dx is equal to the first function x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function log of y plus log of y as it is multiplied by the derivative of first function, that is x. So you are left with x into 1 upon y dy by dx plus log of y into 1. It is like this only. Wherever you will take the derivative of y, you have to write dy upon dx. Please don't forget this. Okay. So now you mingle up these terms. You will get x upon y dy by dx plus log of y Now take v towards that side, you will get dv upon dx is equal to v, bracket starts x upon y, dy upon dx plus log of y. Put the value of v, which is y power x, bracket starts x upon y, dy by dx plus log of y. Please take y power x inside the bracket. You are left with y power x into x upon y, dy by dx plus y power x into log of y. Now see, this is y power x here in the numerator and y is in the denominator. Bases are same, the powers will be subtracted. This x will come in the front, so x into y power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power x log of y. Now in the given question, x power y plus y power x is equal to 1, which we have taken as u plus v is equal to 1. Differentiating with respect to x, you will get du upon dx plus dv upon dx is equal to 0, because the derivative of 1 is always 0, of a constant is always 0. So you will get, please put in the values, you are y x power y minus 1 plus x power y log of x dy by dx plus x y power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power x log of y is equal to 0. Now please listen carefully. I have underlined the terms which have dy by dx in common. So keep these both the terms which have dy by dx in the left hand side, and these one term and this one term take it towards the right hand side. So from these two terms, you take dy by dx common, you are left with x power y log of x plus xy x minus 1 is equal to minus bracket starts the left terms y, it will be y power x log of y plus y x power y minus 1. See, what we have done here is this term is written here with the minus sign, and this term which was here in the beginning, I have written this term here. So these two terms have been brought towards the right hand side, and the terms which are containing dy by dx are on the left hand side. Now keep dy by dx here and take all this term towards the right hand side, it will go in the denominator. So your answer is dy by dx is equal to minus y power x log y plus y x power y minus 1 whole upon x power y log x plus xy power x minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, yes, now we were just doing the x d by dx log of y plus log of y d by dx x is equal to y into d by dx log of x plus log of x dy by dx. Now you will write x into, what is the derivative of log of y? It will be 1 upon y into dy by dx plus log of y into 1 is equal to y 1 upon x, which is the derivative of log of x plus log of x dy by dx. Now I have underlined the terms which are having dy by dx. You just get both these terms towards the left hand side. You will write x upon y dy by dx minus log of x dy by dx. This log of x dy by dx will get negative when it will come towards the left hand side. Y upon x as it is minus log of y. Please take dy by dx common from both these terms. You will write x upon y minus log of x is equal to y upon x minus log of y. Take a common LCM on the left hand side. Dy by dx is equal to denominator y. Numerator will be x minus y log of x is equal to y minus x log of x upon x, because you are taking x as a common LCM. This implies dy by dx is equal to, please take this term towards the right hand side. It will get reciprocated. This y will come in the numerator. You will write y minus x log y whole upon. This x will remain here, x as it is, and this term will come in the denominator. So you will have x into x minus y log of x, which is the answer to the 13th question. Moving to question number 14. It is a smaller question as compared. See, cos of x whole power y is equal to cos of y whole power x. Take log on both the sides. Y log of cos x is equal to x log of cos of y. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. You will get first function y as it is multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is d by dx log of cos of x, plus second function log of cos of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is dy upon dx, is equal to, same case you will apply on the right hand side of the equation, x as it is multiplied by the derivative of log of cos of y second function, plus second function as it is log of cos of y multiplied by the d by dx x derivative of x. So you are getting y into what is the derivative of log of cos of x. It will be 1 upon cos x multiplied by the derivative of whatever is in the bracket. You will take the derivative separately. You will write d by dx cos of x plus log of cos of x as it is multiplied by dy by dx, because here you are taking log of cos of x as it is multiplied by the derivative of this y, which will be dy by dx, is equal to this x first function as it is multiplied by the derivative of log of cos of y plus this. So we did it. So here now you will write this x as it is multiplied by what is the derivative of cos of y. Log of cos of y, it will be 1 upon cos y multiplied by the derivative of cos of y, which is in the bracket, plus log of cos of x. Okay, derivative of x is 1, so you can just ignore it. And now you will get y into 1 upon cos of x into derivative of cos of x is minus sin x plus log of cos x into dy by dx is equal to x into 1 upon cos of y multiplied by what is the derivative of cos y. It will be minus sin y into dy by dx. Please don't forget the term dy by dx. Whenever you will be calculating the derivative of any term which has y, you will write dy by dx along with. Okay, plus log of cos of y. Now see, here is minus sin x and the denominator is cos x. You will write minus y tan x. This minus is coming here. Why? This sin x upon cos x is tan x plus log of cos of x dy by dx is equal to, this minus will come in the beginning here, minus x will come as it is, sin y upon cos y will be tan y into dy by dx plus log of cos of y. Now I have underlined the terms which have dy by dx. We will bring them together on the left hand side. This term is already on the left hand side. It will be repeated, log of cos of x into dy by dx. This minus, when it will come towards this side, will turn plus x tan y dy by dx is equal to this log of cos of y as it is plus this minus y tan x will come towards this side. Now both the terms are here which are having dy by dx. Please take dy by dx common. You will be left with log of cos of x plus x tan of y is equal to log of cos of y plus y tan x. Now this whole term will be shifted to the right hand side and it will go in the denominator. You will write dy by dx is equal to log of cos y plus y tan x whole upon log of cos x plus x tan y. This is the answer to question number 14. These questions, they seem difficult, but they are not. If you move step by step, they are comparatively easy. Now come to 15th question. This is also a very small question. What is given to you is xy is equal to e power x minus y. Differentiating with respect to x, you will have d by dx, left hand side xy is equal to d by dx x e power x minus y. So what will you do? This you will treat UV formula, x first function as it is multiplied by dy by dx plus y second function as it is multiplied by dy the derivative of x. This is equal to e power x minus y as it is multiplied by the derivative of what is the power d by dx x minus y. So how will you do the derivative of e power x minus y? You will write e power x minus y as it is. This e power x minus y, it will be written as it is equal to d by dx x minus y. Clear? Now we move further. How will you calculate this? It will be x into dy by dx as it is plus y, because derivative of x is 1, so no need to mention here. So this will give you is equal to e power x minus y. Now what is the derivative of x? Answer is 1 and derivative of y is minus dy by dx. Now you kindly open this bracket. You will have x into dy by dx plus y is equal to e power x minus y minus. Because now you are opening the bracket, e power x minus y will be multiplied by 1. You will get e power x minus y minus e power x minus y into dy by dx. Now, I have underlined the terms which have dy by dx in common. You will get all these terms towards the left hand side. So, it will be x into dy by dx. This minus will turn to plus e power x minus y into dy by dx. So, this will remain here, e power x minus y. This plus y, it will come towards this side and it will turn minus. Now please take dy by dx common. You are left with x plus e power x minus y. This is equal to e power x minus y minus y. Now this all will go towards the right hand side and it will go in the denominator. So you are left with dy upon dx is equal to e power x minus y whole upon x plus e power x minus y. Now see very carefully what is given in the question. E power x minus y is equal to xy, which is given. So यहाँ पर here you have e power x minus y. kindly substitute it with xy, which is given in the question. So you will have xy minus y upon x as it is e power x minus y. Again, you will put xy in place of e power x minus y. So you have xy minus y whole upon x plus xy. Please take common in the numerator y. So you'll have y bracket starts x minus 1 whole upon x bracket starts 1 plus y. This is the answer to question number 15. Very simple question. Now, question number 16. This seems a very lengthy question. The question is f of x is equal to 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x power 4 plus 1 plus x power 8. What you do in the first step is please take log. You are left with log of f of x is equal to log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x power 4 plus log of 1 plus x power 8. Next step is differentiating with respect to x. You are left with 1 upon f of x into f dash x. Because whatever here is in the log, it will go in the denominator. You will write 1 upon f of x, which will be multiplied by what is in the bracket. So you will write f dash x. Okay. This is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x multiplied by the derivative of 1 plus x. Very simple. Plus. What is the derivative of log of 1 plus x square? It will be 1 upon 1 plus x square multiplied by derivative of 1 plus x square. What is in the bracket? You will take the derivative separately. Plus 1 upon x power 4 into derivative of 1 plus x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 8 multiplied by the derivative of 1 plus x power 8. Okay? Now you will have 1 upon f of x multiplied by f dash x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x multiplied by derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x plus 1 upon 1 plus x power 4, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube plus 1 upon 1 plus x power 8, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x power 8 is 8x power 7. Clear? Now you can write it as 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 4x cube upon 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x power 7 whole upon 1 plus x power 8. Okay? Now you please take this fraction towards the right hand side. It will go in the numerator. You will get f dash x is equal to f of x into this whole question will be repeated as it is. Right? Now, kindly put the value of f of x which is given in the question. Instead of f of x, you will write 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x power 4, 1 plus x power 8. Bracket starts 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 4x cube upon 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x 7 upon 1 plus x power 8. Okay. And now you will have here. Now the question says that you have to calculate f dash 1. So wherever in this statement x is written, kindly substitute x by 1. So you will, instead of 1 plus x, you will write 1 plus 1. 1 plus x square, you will write 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 power 4. 1 plus 1 power 8. 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 2x upon 1 plus x square का हो जाएगा 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1 square plus 4 into 1 cube whole upon 1 plus 1 power 4 plus 8 into 1 power 7 whole upon 1 plus 1 power 8. Now if you solve it, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Bracket starts 1 upon 2 plus 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 4 upon 2 plus 8 upon 2, and this is 16. Bracket starts 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, which will give you 16. Bracket starts 1 upon 2 plus 7. This is 16 into 15 upon 2, which is equal to 120, which is the answer. A very simple question. You will calculate the derivative the way we have been calculating, and in the end, you will substitute the value of x as 1 because the question is asking f dash 1. Now we move to the question number 17, right? 17th question, what does this say? They are saying they have given a x square minus 5x plus 8 multiplied by x cube plus 7x plus 9. You have to calculate in the 3 different ways. Okay. Now the first way is the product rule. It is very simple question. You write the question and then you differentiate both sides with respect to x. You will get dy by dx is equal to first function as it is x square plus minus 5x plus 8 multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is dy by dx x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus second function x cube plus 7x plus 9 as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function, which is x square minus 5x plus 8. Right? Now kindly calculate the derivative. You will get x square minus 5x plus 8 multiplied by 3x square, derivative is x cube derivative will be 3x square plus 7x का derivative is 7. 9 derivative is 0, so no need to write here. Plus x cube plus 7x plus 9 multiplied by x square derivative is 2x and minus 5x derivative is minus 5. Now you please open these brackets. It's a normal multiplication and you solve it. You get 3x power 4 plus 7x square minus 15x cube minus 35x plus 24x square plus 56 plus 2x power 4 minus 5x power 3 plus 14x square minus 35x plus 18x plus minus 45. And it is a normal simple calculation. You will just first find the terms with x power 4. I have underlined them. You will get 5x power 4 and then minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. This is the answer of 17th question by the product rule. Now the second part is by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. So in the second part of the question, first you will do the multiplication. You kindly multiply these terms, each term, right? So when you will multiply x square by x power 3, then again x square by 7x, then x square by 9, and then minus 5x by x square, minus 5x by 7x, minus 5x by 9, and then 8 by x cube, then 8 by 7x, and then again 8 by 9. So this you will get this term, you will get y is equal to x power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 15x cube minus 26x square plus 11x plus 72. Now you have multiplied this term, you have got one for polynomial. Now you will derivative. Now you will do differentiating both sides with respect to x. You will get dy by dx is equal to d by dx x power 5 minus 5x4 plus 15x cube minus 26x square plus 11x plus 72. A very simple derivative now. It will be 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 14x square minus 52x. This minus 26x square derivative will be minus 52x plus 11 plus 0 because 0 is the derivative of 72. So your answer is 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. We see that in the first product rule formula also you are getting the same answer, and the second term when you have multiplied and formed a single polynomial, still you are getting the same answer. And now in the 17th question, they have asked you to do it by logarithmic differentiation. No problem. First you write the question, take log on both the sides. You will write log of y is equal to log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now please differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. What is the derivative of log of y? It will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. This is equal to. What will be the derivative of log of x square minus 5x plus 8? The derivative will be 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 8 multiplied by the derivative of x square minus 5x plus 8. Okay. Similarly, what is the derivative of log of x square? X cube plus 7x minus plus 9. It will be 1 upon x cube plus 7x plus 9 multiplied by the derivative of x cube plus 7x plus 9. Very simple. You have taken both the terms. Now this term will be 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 8 multiplied by x square ka derivative 2x minus 5x derivative minus 5. 8 derivative is 0. No need to write it. Plus 1 upon x cube plus 7x plus 9 multiplied by x cube derivative is 3x square. 7x derivative is 7. 9 derivative is 0. Please ignore. Now you please combine both these terms. You have 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 18 plus 3x square plus 7 whole upon x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay. Now what you do is, now I would like to mention that now abhi don't take the common LCM. No need. What you will do is, you will take y towards this side. You will get dy by dx is equal to y. The answer same. 2x minus 5 upon x square minus 5x plus 18 plus 3x square plus 7 whole upon x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now you substitute the value of y. You will get x square. Sorry. I'm sorry. You will write x square minus 5x plus 8, which is the value of y, and x cube plus 7x plus 9. This whole is the value of y. You have substituted, and the rest like this: 2x minus 5 upon x square plus 5x plus 18 plus 3x square plus 7 whole upon x cube plus 7x plus 9. Now what you do is, you keep these terms as it is, and now you take a common denominator. When you will take a common denominator, you will multiply 2x minus 5 by x cube plus 7x plus 9, and 3x square plus 7 will be multiplied by x square minus 5x plus 18. Let's see. Now when you will still solve it, you will get 2x minus 5 x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x square plus 7 multiplied by x square minus 5x plus 18. You please solve it. It is a normal multiplication and your answer comes out to be 5x power 4 minus 20x power 3 plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. From the above, we see that in all the three ways, the answer is same in every case. So they had given you three ways in which you have to calculate the differentiation, and in all the ways you are getting the same answer. So this is question number 17. Proceeding to question number 18, what they have written is, they have written that d by dx uvw. They have given you one statement in two ways, first by repeated application of the product rule and second by logarithmic differentiation. So first we will be using the product rule. D by dx uvw is equal to d by dx uv into w. What you will do is consider uv as one function and w as the another function. Okay, so what will be the derivative? uv as it is multiplied by d by dx w plus w as it is d by dx uv. Okay, now this will give you uv multiplied by dw upon dx plus w, big bracket starts, derivative first function as it is u multiplied by the derivative of the second function which is dv by dx plus v, second function as it is multiplied by the derivative of the first function which is du upon dx. So this will give you uv dw upon dx plus, now you take w in this term and open the bracket and w will be multiplied by this term also. You will get wu multiplied by dv upon dx plus wv multiplied by du upon dx. Okay, so this is your product rule. Let's go by the logarithmic differentiation. You are given y is equal to uvw. Take log on both sides, you will get log of y is equal to log of uvw. So log of y is equal to log of u plus log of v plus log of w. Now differentiate with respect to x, you will get 1 upon y multiplied by dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of log of u? 1 upon u into du by dx plus derivative of log of v will be 1 upon v into dv by dx plus derivative of log of w will be 1 upon w into dw upon dx. Please take y towards this side, you will get y dy by dx is equal to y 1 upon u into du by dx plus 1 upon v into dv by dx plus 1 upon w into dw by dx. Please put the value of y, you will get uvw, bracket starts 1 upon u into du by dx plus 1 upon v into dv by dx plus 1 upon w into dw by dx. Please take uvw in the bracket, open the bracket, you will get uvw into 1 upon u into du by dx plus uvw into 1 upon v into dv by dx plus uvw into 1 upon w into dw upon dx. Now see, this u will cancel with this u. You are left with vw into du by dx. Now this v will get cancelled with this v. You will get uw multiplied by dv by dx plus. Now this w will get cancelled with this w. You are left with uv into dw by dx. Okay, so your answer is dy upon dx is equal to vw into du by dx plus uw into dv by dx plus uv into dw by dx. We conclude that both the methods give the same result. Whichever method we have used, answer is the same. So here we come to the end of the article. I hope you understood the questions. Please, if you have any doubt regarding any of the question, ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed.